Let's start by logging into our account. Login complete. We're on our main page. Well, there are two ways to proceed here. Either you were invited to join a workplace and it will already appear on your main page, like it's happening here with me, or this page will be empty and you'll need to create your own workspace. To create your workspace, just go to the bottom right corner and click the New Workplace button. Done. Now, you need to enter all the information related to your company so you can proceed with creating your workplace. Once you've filled in the information, you should click Next. And now you have the option to choose our free 14-day trial or to purchase the licenses and modules you want. In this case, I will continue by completing my purchase. Next. Well, as we can see here, you can choose the currency you want to work with. In this case, I will choose the real. Once the currency is selected, I will choose the modules I want to purchase. In this case, I will add the Workplace Champion module. And I will also add our Explorer module in the Champion version. I'm not adding all the modules at once because later I will show you how you can make this change, even after you have created your workplace this way. Well, now I'm going to click Next and name my workplace. Now I'm going to click Next again and my workplace will be created. Workplace created. Now we can access our workplace, create a new project, or as I mentioned earlier, add new modules or update payment information. To do this, we should go here to the top menu in the billing section. In this new view, we can reset the currency, update payment information, and see the current status of our plans. Here, for example, you can choose to do the free trial or purchase the Champion version or the standard version. If you work with large projects, that is, projects of significant size and complexity, and you have a large team made up of several members, you can choose the per project plan, the type of payment, whether it's monthly or annual, and here you will have unlimited user access. If you have a smaller company with fewer users, instead of buying by project, you can buy by user. In this case, I will purchase all the modules in the user-based format. So I come here. In the Champion version, the users champion a total of 10 users, and here in the CDE, the same thing. Once you've decided which modules and how many licenses you want to purchase, we move on to the storage part. Here you can choose how much storage you want to save all your projects. And here the amount of extraction data you want to use in your Explorer module. We will look at this a bit later on. So for now, I'll leave it at the minimum, which is 100 credits. It's important to note that data extraction depends entirely on the Explorer module. So, if you are not going to purchase this module, you don't need to worry about the number of credits. Once that's done, I'll add everything I want to buy to the cart. Here you can see everything that's in your cart. I'll also add our storage options then. And now you can go ahead and purchase your products right away. We've been directed to the payment area, and now please you can enter your card details, or in Brazil, you can also pay by boleto. Once this process is complete, Your payment will be processed and you will have access to everything you purchased on our platform.